We've all been there. Staring at a blank PowerPoint slide at 4 p.m., knowing you need a polished presentation by tomorrow morning. What if I told you there's a way to build entire presentations in minutes, not hours? Meet Templafy Document Agent, AI-powered technology that helps you create complex on-brand presentations effortlessly. When using Templafy in PowerPoint, select Find Template and navigate to Create to start a presentation using AI. Then describe what you need. You can even upload reference files like Word, PowerPoint, or Excel documents, so the document agent can use that information to tailor your presentation. The agent may ask a few questions to support you in getting further to a completed document. This is your chance to refine your input before moving on. The agent will now suggest an outline based on your input. Take a moment to review the proposed sections and slides. You are always in control of the final structure. You can reorder slides to improve the flow, move sections around, add new slides, or remove anything that does not fit your goal. If a topic needs more clarity, refine the wording so it better reflects your message. This step ensures your presentation is structured exactly the way you want before it is created. When you are satisfied, click Create Presentation to continue. The document agent now generates your slides automatically. Behind the scenes, it's organizing your content and applying your company's layouts, pictures, and icons, ensuring everything matches your brand. This way, you can be productive while creating high-quality, on-brand content. Once it's ready, the presentation will open. And there it is, your full presentation. Remember, AI tools can make mistakes, but with Templafy, it's easy to review and refine your slides before sharing. But you can do even more. Need a new slide? Just open the AI chat, describe what you want, and Templafy will take it from there. For example, that might be a slide going over the current state. The agent is optimized to make your life easier when building presentations, so it may ask a few questions for additional context before generating the perfect slide for you. It's a simple way to expand and perfect your presentations with AI. With Templafy Document Agents, those 4 p.m. presentation deadlines just got a lot less stressful. Thank you for watching.